Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to do a short unboxing of this Philips trimmer. It's the 7000 series and it's a trimmer for face, hair and body. On this box you have these three icons here showing where you can use it. This is how the box looks like. It's brand new, so I'm going to open it together with you now. This is the color of the product. It's gray black, let's say. And here we have some specifications of the product. It has 15 accessories. Here it shows you that you have 22 length settings between 0.5 millimeters and 16 millimeters. The blades are self-sharpening and the lithium-ion battery can go up to 120 minutes in running time, and it takes 1 hour to charge the battery. On this side of the box we have other specifications. Here some other pictures with the product itself. As you can see, here you have a picture with the precision trimming comb. It comes with this product and other specifications. And the exact model is MG7940 15. Yeah, this is it. And here we have a picture with what's inside the package. And as you can see, the power adapter is not included. So you have to use a power adapter from your phone or from other devices that you have inside your house. Okay, let's open the box. We need a cutter to cut this plastic sticker here. And this is how you open the box. The packaging is very premium, I like it. Here we have the trimmer itself. As I told you, it's a dark gray and here it's black. This is rubber, but I'll put it aside for the moment because I want to see what's inside the box and we'll come back to the trimmer. Here we have the pouch. It's a small bag where you can put all the accessories and the trimmer itself. It's gray. It's a very soft material. I like it. Yeah, it's simple, but as you can see, it extends and you can put everything in it. Yeah, good. Here we have the charging cable. And again, keep in mind that you need a power adapter from your phone. You can use one that has at least 5 volts and 1.5 amps. This is the recommended, but it works also with 2 amps or even with 1 amp. So this is a standard USB connector, and here we have a proprietary Philips connector. I'm going to use this phone charger. I'm going to connect the USB cable here. This is a fast charger from Samsung, and as you can see, it also has 5 volts and 2 amps. So I'm going to use it to charge this trimmer. And let's see, here we have the manuals. Yeah, plenty of papers. Again, we have to read it before using this product because you have safety instructions, and as you can see, it shows you how to use the product. So I really recommend going through the materials before using the product. And this is it. And here we have the accessories. Here we have the ones for the face, because you have a face here. They are very nice packed in these paper bags. I like it. Again, the feeling is very premium. This is an accessory for trimming the hair in your nose and ears with this round blade here. It's very useful. Again, the materials are premium, glossy black plastic, this aluminum, very nice. What else we have in here? We have the small blade. This is a precision blade for precision areas. For example, if you want to cut near your ears, you can use this precision blade. It's very small and very, very accurate. What else? Oh, here we have the eyebrow head. This is a gray plastic. And what else we have in here? And we have a small brush to clean the head. So basically, after you are using one of these blades, you can do like this and they will be cleaned. Nice. So this is all we have here. Let's open the next box. This is, as you can see, for the body. Okay, this is the head for sensitive areas. For example, you can use it for your underarms area, but also to cut your pubic hair. So yeah, this is a very, very useful tool. Again, glossy plastic, premium materials, and if you want to clean it, you can take this out. You can clean it, wash it, and put it back. Again, this machine is waterproof, so you can use it under the shower. You can wash it. It will have no problem. Let's see the next head. This is a body 3mm head. Very nice. And that's it. And now let's go to the next box. And here we have plenty of accessory for the main head. This is a 9mm, as you can see here, accessory for the head. This is a 16mm accessory. Very nice. This is the combo head. Basically, you can adjust the height of the cut by rotating this wheel here. So you can see we have from 1mm to, let's go up to 3mm. Very interesting. It's the first time when I'm using this kind of head, so I'm curious to see how it performs. Usually I'm using 2mm for the body settings. Again, the materials are very, very nice to touch and they give you a premium feel. This is also an adjustable head. As you can see, you can adjust the height from 3mm up to 7mm. This is very useful for head. Usually I'm using 6 or 7mm for my head, so this is very, very handy. I like it, and I like the fact that they combine this yellow finish with the black finish. It gives you a very, very nice look. Here we have another 4mm body head. And this is an extra wide main blade. Basically, if you want to use it on your back or on your legs, you can use this extra wide head because it will cover an extra surface. And this is how it is compared to the regular head. This is the regular head that you can use it with all the accessories, and this is the extra wide head. As you can see, it's, I would say, 20 to 25% wider than the standard head. Again, this is very handy for your back, for example, or for your legs. I like it. And what else we have in here? Another 12 millimeters accessory. And the last one, this is another adjustable accessory from 9 to 13 millimeters. Very nice. And this is it. This is all you have inside the box. So let's put it aside for the moment and let's do a short recap. So you have these adjustable heads between 3 and 13 millimeters. We have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accessories for the main head. They have a fixed height, so you cannot adjust anything. And again, you can use those for head and body. You have this trimmer style head that you can use it for your underarms or your pubic hair. You have this precision head where you can adjust the height of the hair between 1 and 2 millimeters. This is mainly for your face, but also if you want it, you can use it on your body, because as I told you, it doesn't have a fixed 2 millimeters accessory. So if you need 2 millimeters, you can use this accessory. This is very interesting. You have this head for nose and ears. Again, this is very important for every man. And this is the precision cutting tool. Again, you can use it, as I told you, near your ears, or you can even use it on your nose if you want, ears and so on. And you have this small brush. You have the extra wide head. We have the pouch. You also have a Philips logo here, but it's very dark. We have the charging cable. Again, you need an extra adapter for it. And we have the machine itself. Now let's have a look at the device. As I told you, it comes in this very premium gray plastic. I like the finish. Here we have black rubber, very nice. This button is from plastic. Here we also have plastic. In this part we have rubber. Okay, this is the main blade of the device. Here we have some technical specifications. As I told you, it's IPX7, meaning that you can use it under the shower. And in order to charge it, you need a 5 volts and minimum 1 amp charger. Okay, this is the main connector to charge the device. I'm wondering if I can use my old charger from my old trimmer. I'll try it. And if you want to remove this head, basically what you need to do is to put your finger here and push it. And this is how you remove it, very easy. And if you want to put it back, just keep in mind that you have this safety pin here. First you need to put it like this and then press it. And this is it. It's very simple to use it. And if we press this button, it will start, but I think it has no battery. Yeah, as you can see, the LED is blinking. It means that I have to charge the device first. I want to also show you how to connect a head accessory. So let's say that you have this accessory. This is the body 3mm accessory. First, you need to position it on top of the main cutting head, okay? Put it in place, and then you just press here until you see this click. And this is it. It's in place now. You can use this head with this accessory for your body. And if you want to remove it, you need to push from the back, so like this, and take it out, okay? And it's very simple. But if you want to use other accessory, like for example the nose accessory, what you need to do is you need to remove this main head, okay? Take the new accessory, look at the safety pin here, put the safety pin first, and then push it like this. And as you can see right now, it's in place. You can use it. And if you want to remove it, again, push it from here and take it out. Very, very simple. And let's try also the extra wide head. Again, look at the safety pin, put it in place, and then push it. And this is how it looks like. Again, this is an alternative to this narrow head. Basically, this is for larger portions of your body, for the back, for example, or even for your legs. As I told you, the difference is around 20 to 25%. Very nice. Let's take it out. So basically, this is how you connect the accessories. And if you want to clean the machine, so after you are using, let's say, this accessory for your body, you are using it, you take it out, and under the water, you clean it very, very well. This device, you clean it here also very well under the water. You let it dry. And then if you still have hair, you can use this little brush, for example, to clean the head. Okay? It's very, very simple. Or you can do it the other way around if you want. Before washing it, you can clean the hair, wash it, and after that, if you still have hair, you can clean it with this brush. Very simple to use. I'm going to charge it now, and I'm going to show it to you after it is charged. And now, let's press this button to hear the sound. It has a small vibration in your hand, and the sound is not so disturbing. It's very nice. And here you have a small LED. Basically, when the battery is discharged, this LED will blink in orange. When you charge it, this LED will blink intermittent white. And when it's fully charged, this LED will stay white. And as you can see, when you are using it, or when it is in standby mode, the LED is off. Very nice. Guys, this was my unboxing for this product. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.